Hello and welcome to my WordPress tutorial. It will be very short. You're going to first go to wordpress.com and click on Get Started. It will take you to a page where you have to sign on with your email address and register an account. You have to verify through your email address that you've accepted making this account, and your password has to be strong enough, otherwise it won't let you register. So once you're here in your account, you can choose my AU sample. Here's what I'm going to see if it's available, and sure enough, this is available, my AU sample. I then have to scroll to the bottom of the page, click Create Blog, and once you're here, you'll see that this set of options comes up. You want to change your blog's theme by clicking Change Blog Theme. And there are so many things to choose from. You can scroll down. It's very easy for the system to bog. Can be system intensive if you don't have a strong enough processor or RAM. Illustrator is pretty cool, except that it is not so easy to navigate while using your navigation. There are a few that I like, as you can see. Some you can pay for, but there's quite a selection of ones that you don't have to pay for. There are a couple of new ones that I've seen that I really like. One is called Big Brother, but there are a few, and as I scroll, I notice that there sure are a lot of new ones. A lot of new ones. This Forever was a good one, if I can recall. Let's see. Typo was a good one. I used a few times. But I don't want these ones. I'm going to choose some specific ones, I think, as I scroll. Look at them all. There's so many. Wow. This is an easy one to use, very user-friendly. Oh, you know what? Oh, I didn't want to do that. No, forget it. I'll just go in here. I'm going to choose this retrofitted demo. It's an easy one, quite easy to navigate. When you're learning, it's kind of a big deal. Some of them are harder to edit once you get into them. Okay, so my system's taking a little bit of time, but that's okay. Once we've chosen a theme, we then have to go down and click, we'll then go down and click Customize so that we can change our title. So I can go down to my site title down here. On the right hand side are where our options are for editing. And AU sample. Canada's Great University. And there are different things you can change. I can change the color of, some of these things you actually have to pay for. Do we want to change the header? We could add a new header. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to close this. I'm not going to change anything right now. You can add widgets. There are all kinds of things you can do. I just want to keep it simple for now. Excuse me. So we've published this new design. Oops. And you have to close this window or it won't let you do anything else and you could find yourself stuck. So you have to press that X. At the top, you want to click on your new blog. It hasn't changed yet. But okay, so as you can see, it's now called My AU Sample. And this is my page. If I hover over My AU Sample in the top left corner, go down to New, I can click Page. And this will add a new link in my navigation. And I could call this Photos, for example. I can then go down and click Media, Add Media. If I'm in the middle of the screen, you can see Select Files, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to upload an image from my computer. It's going to be this one down here, because it's small enough. Okay, so you can see I can uncheck this if I don't want to upload it yet, but I want, for sample purposes, to upload this. I can change this, maybe call this Clouds. Change my title, I can add a caption, I can change all these things. Change the size, maybe I'll make that a full-size image. And then I say yes, I'm going to insert this page. If I scroll down, you can see I'm going to uncheck the shares and likes of this page because it's not that professional in my history. So what else can we do? Down here, I might change this page number to say page 1. And I say publish. I can then click on my AU sample again, which is my page title. And you notice that I now have another link. I can click that link, and there is that image. I can go into this page also, and if I scroll down, you'll see that there's an edit. And you can also notice here, we can share this. I'm already editing it. Sorry. You can share it, and the likes were visible. So I'm going to again uncheck those. I'm going to make this video. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to click on Add Media. But now instead of, and as you can see in my media library, I have that image that I used. I'm going to click URL, add insert from URL. And I'm going to paste a YouTube link. Then I can insert that to the page. I'm going to go down here and change the order of this. I'm going to make this appear after my photos. So this is order number 2. I can of course choose a parent if I want it to be like a secondary link. And there are all kinds of options, but to keep it simple, this is what we're going to do. I will click on and now we have photos and our video. I'm going to, I want to change my main page so I can go new post. I can also access this by hovering over here, going to new and new post instead of new page. And I can say welcome Alpha Rocks. And now I can say view post, and this will be my new page. Cool. Oh, now you notice that now I can also edit this. I can go into preview. And that's great. So that's basically, let's click on our video. You'll notice that now the video is a direct link to YouTube, and it will play on the screen. I'm going to go back, and there are my photos. There's my video. You get the idea. Cool. Over and out.